the capital city, and behind me sits the past center of the government. Of course, if you were here yesterday, you wouldn't see those wonderfully lit buildings where the important, all the ministers, all our top bureaucrats, even the Prime Minister's office is just behind that. And the reason for that is the smog that has descended before time here in the capital. And it was so bad that today the central government, the Supreme Court appointed panel, and also the Delhi government have all got into the act. We have our special panel over here. We are also hoping to be joined by the Delhi Health Minister to talk about how seriously they are taking this crisis, because it is a crisis. Out of the top 10, most polluted, 7 of them have been from the capital, and it's really everybody is pressing the alarm button. But first, let's take a look, my colleague Bhairavi Singh's story about what really is crop burning, what are they doing to prevent and kind of put a stop, try and fix this emergency situation.
The killer smog in Delhi is today at such alarming levels that even healthy people can be affected. Those who suffer lung and heart disease may suffer serious health impacts, and the warning for children is dire.
Due to the air pollution. I think exposed every year to bad quality air, developing wheezy bronchitis every year can leave behind permanent damage in the lungs. Their lung function can be restricted permanently, and these are children whose growth will also be affected.
After some time you will not see us coming here because of the smog.
In fact, the National Capital Region is home to over 21 million people, and at this point it has 7 of the 10 worst polluted areas in the country. All but one is the highest severe category. The causes are clear: burning fields ahead of the new crop around Delhi, heavy traffic, especially diesel vehicles in Delhi, and lower temperatures which stop pollutants from rising. Acres of fields are still being lit 24 hours after promises of action by the centre and the states.
New rules are made every day, but no rule is followed. NGT said that trucks at night should give a pollution tax. That's not been implemented. Crops are not supposed to be burnt. That's happening. No one is stopping it.
As this graphic shows, the pollution in the last couple of days is worse than the same time last year. The central government has written to the states on crop burning. Can the state governments really act against farmers? Here in the national capital, the Delhi government is unable to implement the orders of the Green Tribunal. And with the climate meet in Paris coming up soon, what are the answers that this government has on the soaring pollution levels in the city? With camperson Manu Nair, Bhairavi Singh, NDTV.
So one other thing, apart from all the information that we played out in that package, is that there was also a late evening, there was a meeting of the Supreme Court appointed panel, and the Supreme Court appointed panel has now summoned all state governments, especially Haryana and Punjab, which are the main states where they have a lot of crop burning, which has affected all of us here in the capital, and told them, one, you have to publicize how the crop burning is, all the people who are responsible, file cases against the farmers and take action. Daily monitoring of satellite pictures is going to start happening, and that's what we were talking about. Let me just introduce our guest. We have the Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain joining us from the capital. We also have, because it affects all our health, Dr. Ujjwal Parak, and we have Vivek Chattopadhyay of the Center for Science and Environment, and we also have Salik Shafiq. He's an environmental lawyer who has been tackling these issues in court. Dr. Jain, I want to just start with you first, with our first talking point. In that package we played out as well, many feel that Delhi government is unable to, all these orders, it looks like today you have also held a meeting, Delhi government also held a meeting, the Supreme Court appointed panel held a meeting, the centre also issued notices to states, but none of the things get implemented, sir. So how are you going to implement all this?
देखिएगा, सबसे पहली बात तो ये है कि दिल्ली के अंदर पॉल्यूशन जो है उसका लेवल बहुत हाई है, इसको हमें एक्सेप्ट करने की ज़रूरत है और सभी लोगों को मानने की ज़रूरत है। पॉल्यूशन इज़ किलिंग, जो पॉल्यूशन है उसकी वजह से हमारी हेल्थ को, हमारे जीवन को बड़ा खतरा है। लोग इसको बहुत सीरियसली नहीं ले रहे हैं। जहाँ तक आपने बात की सुप्रीम कोर्ट के ऑर्डर की बात है, एनजीटी के ऑर्डर के लिए कि जो ट्रक्स के ऊपर लागू करना था, ये एमसीडी को कलेक्शन करनी है और दिल्ली सरकार उसके लिए पूरी तत्पर है, पूरी तरह से उसमें दबाव बनाए कि जल्द से जल्द इसको स्टार्ट किया जा सके। और अभी जो पॉल्यूशन इमीडिएटली हो रहा है, इसका जो मुझे जहाँ तक जानकारी मैंने इकट्ठा की है, सबसे बड़ा कारण ये है कि जो पैडी को खेतों में जलाया जा रहा है, तो वो मौसम में हवा नहीं है बिल्कुल भी, तो सारा ज़्यादातर इकट्ठा हो गया। दिल्ली में क्योंकि बिल्डिंगें काफ़ी हैं, तो यहाँ पे काफ़ी स्मोक की तरह से इकट्ठा हो गया है। तो मुझे लगता है इसके लिए हमने पंजाब हरियाणा सरकारों से बातचीत चल रही है कि इसके ऊपर थोड़ा रोक लगाई जाए, क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं है कि वो दिल्ली के लिए ही खतरा है, खतरा तो वहाँ के लोगों के लिए भी है। आम लोग समझते हैं कि शायद समझाने की ज़रूरत भी है, किसानों को बताने की ज़रूरत भी है, एजुकेट करने की आवश्यकता है कि अगर हम पैडी को जला रहे हैं तो उसका एनवायरमेंटल इफेक्ट उनके ऊपर भी आ रहा है, उनके बच्चों के ऊपर भी आ रहा है, और उन्हीं के भाई या उन्हीं के रिश्तेदार भी दिल्ली में रहते हैं।
मैं ये आपको पूछना चाहती थी, क्योंकि ये सबके मन में ये बात आती है कि हर साल दिल्ली में स्मॉग की बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है, और ये कि दिल्ली जो मोस्ट पोल्यूटेड है, ये नई बात नहीं है, पिछले साल भी यही था। तो ऐसा क्यों है कि जिस दिन हमें सैटेलाइट पिक्चर्स कल दिखे, और कल मैं आपको बता रही हूँ हम लोग विजय चौक से कर रहे हैं, कल वो बिल्डिंग नहीं दिख रहे थे, इतना बुरा हाल था। तो ये क्यों है कि आपने जो आज मीटिंग बुलाई वो आपने पहले क्यों नहीं बुलाई? सर ये कह रही, व्हाई इज द एक्शन ऑलवेज लेफ्ट सो लेट?
नहीं, आज आपने मुझसे पूछ लिया है, जब मैंने बेटे के पहले की थी तब शायद पूछा नहीं होगा। आज से 4 महीने पहले मुख्यमंत्रियों की मीटिंग हुई थी, उसमें मैं भी था, वहाँ पर भी हमने ये बहुत स्ट्रांगली उठाया था। पंजाब के साथ और हरियाणा के दोनों मुख्यमंत्री वहाँ पर मौजूद थे, और मैंने खुद कहा था कि वहाँ पर जो पैडी को जलाया जाता है उसको सख्ती से रोकने की आवश्यकता है। हमारे कहते हैं गृह मंत्री राजनाथ सिंह जी उसको चेयर कर रहे थे, और उन्होंने इसका नोट किया था कि हाँ जी इसको हम करेंगे। तो इस चीज़ के लिए हम बार बार कर रहे हैं कि इसको हर तरीके से उठाया जा रहा है, परंतु अब ये कहें कि हम उसको फिजिकली रोक पाएंगे, फिजिकली तो नहीं, हम रिक्वेस्ट करके कर सकते हैं, और हम हर लेवल पर उसको बार बार कर रहे हैं।
Okay, Vivek Chattopadhyay, the government is saying they're doing all they can. The Green Tribunal is also saying that. The centre also sent out. So obviously something's not working, which is why we are still in that position. And Delhi's been polluted, and the pollution's gone from bad to worse. So what's happening? You heard what the minister said.
See, what I see as a major issue that Delhi government or the administration is experiencing, that there is a lack of major coordination problem among the agencies. That is the first thing. Second thing, there is no coordinating body.
You mean when you say agencies, like he said MCD is not collecting, so which is run by BJP.
MCD,
is it that?
Department of Environment, the tax collection department, there are private players who are going to collect the tax, there are bodies.
But isn't the Supreme Court above everyone, and the Supreme Court does? I mean, that's the Supreme Court is the one who brought in CNG as well. Can't they force everyone to just work together?
They have already forced it, and in fact the direction is clearly mentioned that Delhi government has to implement it, and there cannot be any excuses, and they are not going to revise the order. So it's a clear direction that it has to be implemented.
So you're saying you're not convinced by what Satyendra Jain is saying?
No, he's saying, but what I'm saying that it has to be very regular, timely and proactive.
Okay.
So if we have done a meeting, say before 3 months or before doing right now,
Yeah.
it has to be, response system has to be very prompt.
Okay.
And I would suggest that, for example, if 3 past days have been very poor or severe,
Yeah.
then there has to be a urgent meeting today
Yeah.
to stop those fires. So
Okay.
this kind of emergency response system is needed.
Okay, which they had that meeting. But Mr. Shafiq, is there anything you want to ask the Delhi government minister?
Of course, of course.
What do you want to ask?
I don't know what Mr. Jain is talking about because he can say whatever he wants to in TV, but I see the councils in the court. And the Honorable NGT has said, we don't know whether you're talking about MCD, you're talking about PWD, we'll take Delhi government as one. And even like half of the NGT order, whether it's the burning of waste, construction, vehicular pollution and pollution from the industry will be implemented. Delhi will be the better place to live.
So NGT doesn't accept all this. So जैन सर, ये आपने सुना, ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट का भी यही कहना है कि आपको ये इम्प्लीमेंट करना पड़ेगा। तो आप जो कह रहे हैं कि ये एमसीडी नहीं कलेक्ट कर रही है, क्या आपको लगता है कि वो इट साउंड्स लाइक एन एक्सक्यूज सर?
नहीं, देखिएगा ऐसा है, उनको 1 तारीख से कलेक्ट करना था ये, और हमने एमसीडी को जिस दिन ऑर्डर आया था उससे नेक्स्ट डे बुला के तीनों कमिश्नर्स को बुला के सख्त हिदायत दी थी इसको करना है, और सभी को कई मीटिंग हमने की थी और उन्होंने एश्योर भी किया था कि हम करना स्टार्ट कर देंगे, क्योंकि उसके टैक्स कलेक्शन के लिए वहाँ पर ऑलरेडी सिस्टम इन प्लेस है, पूरा सिस्टम है। और दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट अपने इस जो कोर्ट के जो भी ऑर्डर हैं हम उनको हर तरीके से पूरी सख्ती से लागू कराएंगे, जैसे भी करना होगा। मैं आई एम नॉट बैकिंग कि मैं आपको पीछे हट रहेंगे, एमसीडी नहीं करा तो हम पीछे हट जाएंगे। एमसीडी से हम कराएंगे और पूरी तरह से कराएंगे।
Okay. One thing that we just wanted to talk about is that you know, we have the NGT which has taken several moves, but the figures show, and I think the satellite, everyone, what's fascinating is now what the court has said today, the Supreme Court appointment panel has said all states have to monitor the pollution levels and look at satellite pictures day to day, right? And the day-to-day pictures have to be sent to all the states, all the satellite pictures, and they have to spot all the farmers who are burning crops and go and take action against them.
Yeah.
Now, I wanted to ask you here, Vivek Chattopadhyay, that two things. One, we have all concerned governments, everybody's having meetings. Why is it that our pollution level is worse than last year?
See,
what has gone wrong?
the major thing that we have identified the sources. We know that Punjab fire is going to come again. Satellite images are going to come again. But the measures that should have been placed earlier, for example, right now we are taking the tough decision that those remote sensing images should come daily. We could have planned it before the NASA could have done that. So that is the main point. We know the reasons clearly that polluting trucks
so
are entering.
someone should have been thinking like that.
Someone should be thinking, take charge of the matter and doing the things, and since it involves several state governments, then I think the responsibility also goes to the central government.
Yeah.
The Ministry of Environment and Forest, which has the ultimate authority to see that whether national air quality standards are met across the country or not.
Yeah.
So it is the common practice elsewhere that if the states fail to meet air quality standards, there are legal provisions.
And if all of these, which are like have FIRs, publicize all this, look at the satellite pictures, do you think next year we're in a better position if all of this is done? And also the green tax, are we in a better position, do you think?
If the order will be implemented properly, yes.
And do you believe that it will be?
I mean, like, we already have law, but
Yeah.
we have to have some enforcing agency.
Okay.
And right now the court is doing that.
Okay.
They are telling the people, the government, the authorities, see,
Yeah.
this you have to do.
Okay, Dr. Parak, I just wanted to ask you, we'll of course talk to you and the students, and some of them are, it's interesting that if you ever in a group of people in the capital, you'll rarely find someone without any kind of respiratory problems. You look at respiratory diseases. What is the kind of impact that you see day to day on your patients of this kind of environment?
See, I've been practicing pulmonology for last 14-15 years, and I have seen a steady increase in patients coming to us with respiratory problems. And that has to do a lot with the air quality of the city. So the number of people who are having...
Does the crop burning thing make it worse?
It does make it worse. It does make it worse, but we have to understand it's a whole year, round the year phenomena. And we have to control it around the year, not during this period only.
Okay.
So it's not only this, but it makes it worse there because it's a changing weather also. Lots of viral infections are also there,
Yeah.
and on top of it, there's a lot of smoke. So
Okay.
it adds to the problem.
Okay, so we have our audience over here and the minister's there, so we'll be getting their questions to the minister and we'll hear him answer that in just a bit. Stay with us.